Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix can't install YouTube Play Store, right? So if you're getting this issue, make sure you watch this video till the end, right? So first of all, what you have to do, you have to do nothing, you have to just go to the settings. Once you go to the settings, scroll a little bit down and you will find this app section. Go to the app section, now go to the app management. Once you go to the app management, let it load and here you have to type Play Store. Once you type the Play Store, make sure you just go to the Google Play Store, not the Google Play Services. Click on the Google Play Store. Once you click on it, then you have to go to the storage usage. First, once you go here, you will get this two option. Now clear the cache. Once you clear the cache, you have to clear the data. Mind it, once you clear the data, you have to re-log in into your Google Play Store, right? And after that, just go back and here click on force stop, right? Make sure you force stop and then just restart your phone, reboot your phone, and then try to open your Google Play Store, and then you will able to install YouTube Play Store, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video really useful.